Create in me a clean heart, renew in me a clean start. Cast me not away from your presence. Do not take away your Holy Spirit. Restore to me my salvation. Have mercy on me for my transgressions. Cast me not away from your presence. Do not take away your Holy Spirit. Against you I have sinned, you and you only, you are.
Judah and I have been driving for 6 hours, Carthage to Lancaster, finally 2 minutes from our hotel. He's a little busy in his game. Hey, what are we doing? Why are we even down here, dude? Sight and sound for your what? Field trip time. Dad and Judah, come on! Let's do this! We're here. We're seeing people we know. There's Miss Rowley.
I'm not with the group, but I'm here. I mean, I'm with the group, but I'm not here.
You're with the group but not with the group. Hi, how are you? Judah Michael Ewing and I just got out of the smorgasbord. Miller's Smorgasbord. Now we're in the gift shop. And Judah's looking for stuff he can't afford. But we're having fun doing it. Oh, sorry. There's only Judy. No, Judah. You could cross out the Y and write AH. All right. We are pulling into Sight and Sound. We just got done the smorgasbordy. And here's my porgy from the smorgasbordy. And they were having fun at the kids' table. I was having fun at the grown-up kids' table. We were laughing a lot with Noah's parents. Anyway, here we go. Oh, that Acura.
You've entered the car park for your destination.
That's dog water. Oh. Hey, Michael, why don't you drive in the lane? Oh, okay. I'll do that. Here comes the guard shack, where they tell you where to park. Oh. Michael can't actually drive very well.
Arrived.
Hey Dad, there's a sign that said Hershey.
Alright. It's windy, rainy, and crazy out right now. But we're here. We're saying hi. This is the video. Then, hold on. I'll get that. The good old boys just playing around. This is our group. Some of the girls are over here, and parents, and boys. Girls are over there. Oh, it's video. He's smiling at me in still form. Oh, it's video, yeah. I'm just catching the boys having a good time.
almost stepped on the bus.
3, 2, 1. Nothing crazies. Wow. One more. There you go. All right. Tree, sound fit. 1, 2, 3. Big fellowship. All right,
Do not take away your Holy Spirit. Restore to me my salvation. Have mercy.